Let's continue exercise 12.1. Question number 4 is find the area of a triangle two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and perimeter of the triangle is 42 centimeter. ABC is a triangle. Let's say two sides are already given 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter with perimeter of the triangle 42 centimeter. We are going to find area of this triangle using Heron's formula. So let the given sides be A and B as A equal to 18 centimeter, B is equal to 10 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is given 42 centimeter. Two sides and perimeter of the triangle are given. So what will be third side of the triangle? Let's say third side BC. So third side C is equal to perimeter minus sum of the two sides A and B. So perimeter is given 42. 42 minus sum of the given two sides 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So 42 minus 28 is equal to 14 centimeter. This is third side of the triangle denoted by C. Perimeter is given 42 centimeter and we want to apply here Heron's formula to find area of this triangle. So we need to write semi-perimeter which will be half the given perimeter 42 centimeter. So S semi-perimeter is 42 divided by 2. This is 21 centimeter. So this way semi-perimeter is 21 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to, Heron's formula is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let's substitute the values of semi-perimeter S and sides A, B and C of the triangle in this formula. So this is equal to semi-perimeter 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. This is equal to 21 into 21 minus 18. This is 3 into 21 minus 10. 11 into 21 minus 14, 7. Now see here, 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. This 3 into 7 is 21. 121 is already here into 11. So this we can write under root 21 into 3 into 7, 21 into 11. 21 into 21, 441, or we can say 21 into 21 is a perfect square. So its square root is 21. So this is 21 under root 11 centimeter square and this is the answer. Question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. In this question we are not given the lengths of three sides of a triangle with perimeter 540 centimeter, but we are given a ratio of three sides of the triangle and perimeter of the triangle 540 centimeter. To find area of this triangle using Heron's formula, first and foremost we need to find lengths of three sides of the triangle separately, and that we can find using perimeter of the triangle. As three sides are given in the ratio of 12:17:25, so obviously lengths of three sides of this triangle are going to be multiples of 12, 17 and 25. So let us suppose that three sides denoted by A, B and C be 12x, 17x and 25x. Ratio of three sides given 12:17:25 and perimeter of the triangle is given 540 centimeter. So let sides of the triangle be A equal to 12x, B second side equal to 17x and C third side of the triangle B equal to 25x. Three sides we are assuming ABC as 12x, 17x and 25x, as the ratio is given 12:17:25. Therefore, we have 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540 perimeter of the triangle. Sum of three sides equal to perimeter of the triangle. This implies 12x plus 17x plus 25x, 54x, which is equal to 540 and x is equal to 540 divided by 54 equal to 10. So value of x we have got 10, and therefore we can now find three sides ABC of the triangle whose perimeter is 540 centimeter. So therefore first side A equal to 12x, so 12 into 10, 120 centimeter. Second side B is equal to 17x, so 17 into 10, 170 centimeter, and third side C is 25x, which is equal to 25 into 10 equal to 250 centimeter. So three sides of the triangle we have determined as 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter and 250 centimeter. Perimeter is already given. We are going to apply Heron's formula to find area of this triangle, so we need semi perimeter. So therefore semi perimeter S is equal to perimeter 540 divided by 2, this is 270 centimeter. So semi perimeter of this triangle also we have got 270 centimeter and three sides we have already determined. Therefore area of triangle we can find out. So therefore area of triangle equal to Heron's formula under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let us substitute the values of semi-perimeter S and ABC, three sides of the triangle. So 270 semi-perimeter into S minus A, 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into, let us write it here, 270 minus 250. This is equal to 270 into 270 minus 120, 150 into 270 minus 170, 100 into 270 minus 250, 20. See these numbers in a square root. 270 multiple of 10, 150 also multiple of 10, 100 also, 20 also. So let's write these numbers as multiple of 10, I mean factorizing as one of the factors for each of these numbers will be 10. So 27 into 10 into 150, we can write 15 into 10 into 100, we can write 10 into 10. 100 is perfect square number, so we may not factorize 100 as 10 into 10. We can directly take its square root and it will be 10. So 2 into 10. Now see, 10 is here, 10 is here, 10 is here, 10 is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That means making two pairs of 10 into 10. And is square root will be 10 into 10. So let's write 10 into 10 into, see why I have written 10 into 10 outside, because 10 into 10, one pair of factor 10, square root is 10. Here 10 into 10 making one pair, so its square root is 10. So 10 into 10 two times has gone outside of this square root sign. Now this 27 we can write 9 into 3. 15 we can write 3 into 5, and this 10 we can write 5 into 2, and this 2 we can write into 2. Now see, this is equal to 10 into 10, 100 into square root of this 9 is 3. 3 occurring two times, so again its square root 3. 5 into 5, square root is 5. 2 into 2, square root is 2. So 100 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2, which is equal to 9,000 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Question number 6 is, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Two sides of the triangle 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, as it is an isosceles triangle. Perimeter is given 30 centimeter and we are going to find out area of this triangle. So let A be equal to 12 centimeter and B second side of the isosceles triangle also 12 centimeter. Perimeter of isosceles triangle is given 30 centimeter. So therefore third side C will be equal to perimeter 30 centimeter minus sum of the two given sides each of 12 centimeter long. So 12 plus 12, which is equal to 30 minus 24, 6 centimeter. So third side of the isosceles triangle is 6 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. We are going to find this perimeter is already given. So area of the triangle. To find area of the triangle, we need semi-perimeter, which is equal to perimeter 30 centimeter divided by 2, 15 centimeter is semi-perimeter of this isosceles triangle, and area we are going to find out. So therefore area of the triangle equal to Heron's formula, under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equal to, let's put values of semi-perimeter S and three sides ABC 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So semi-perimeter 15 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 6. This is equal to under root 15 into 15 minus 12, 3 into 15 minus 12, 3 into 15 minus 6, 9. This is equal to, see, 3 into 3 is a perfect square number, 9 is also perfect square number, so square root of 3 into 3 is 3 into square root of this 9 is also 3 into under root 15, which is equal to 3 into 3, 9 under root 15 centimeter square, and this is area of the isosceles triangle.